자, на пару сек. На пару сектора. Раз, два, три. Бар, звук, чай. Вещай. Ну, тройка связь надо. Так, дамы и господа, продолжу нашу прекрасную игру под названием LA Noire или просто La Noire. FPS 1 тентроп достойно. Так, бутафорская высшая голова.
You were giving me a thorough going over. I was just starting to enjoy it.
We found a shrunken head that was used to tamper with your car.
You see, I normally don't drive off cliffs. The last thing I remember is getting behind the wheel.
Все. В курсе дела, я тут сомневаюсь.
It's obviously some kind of movie prop. You must know where it came from.
In case you hadn't noticed, I am the talent. And the talent doesn't deal with props or sets or any of that kind of stuff.
Звезды не вникают. Их чуть не убили. Так, подозреваемый Марк Бишоп. Да. Самодовольная стерва.
You mentioned a Mark Bishop.
Арзвезда
Think he might have had something to do with this?
He is a movie producer. As for his involvement, you just leave it to me and my husband to worry about.
Вот, заебали нах. Помощь нужна.
I want to know what happened between you two that made him want to commit a double murder.
Bishop offered me a part in his picture. Then he withdrew it. Fact is, we had a deal. Pressed him on it. And this is where I end up.
Mrs. McAfee, I think it would be in everyone's best interest if you accompanied Patrolman Gonzalez back to the receiving hospital.
I'm going to be okay. These guys can take me home after my lawyer and I have talked to the news house.
Mrs. McAfee, you are still under the influence of narcotics. You're likely to go into shock once the drugs wear off.
And I thought you were a heel. It's nice of you to be concerned.
I think we're good here. Let's go see what we can shake out of the kid.
Так, кызды балаға қатарды Джессика Хамильтон. Ну, кем это? Так, на нее у нас письмо имеется от матери. Ну, типа, волнует за свою дочку. Ей куда вернись домой, где карта. Это, во-первых. Во-вторых, есть трусы ее порванные. Hogan ладно. Да, хендер полиция. Харгде, хатук көрөтөрүн такам берам. Амада сирени стивитин. А, 8 утра. А, ну да, 8 утра. Бартуки халом даю. Reception.
Hello, Detective Phelps, here to interview a Jessica Hamilton.
Jessica Hamilton. Oh, yes. She's in the room, right behind you, Detective.
You can't hold me here. No, I don't
Feeling
need
better
to be
since this
managed
morning,
by a
Jessica?
doctor. I need my lawyer.
My head still
Where
feels
is the telephone? Do you know who I am?
Hello, Jessica. My name is Cole Phelps. I'm a policeman. I'd like to talk to you about your accident, if that's okay.
Okay.
Can you tell me what you remember about the crash?
It's all kind of fuzzy. I remember waking up here. Nothing happened yesterday.
Так, вот тут у меня интуиция надо. Простите, я тут... Если Кирилл ложь.
Tell the truth, Jessica. Why the big cover-up?
I'm not lying to you.
Куры есть где?
We found your underwear in your handbag, Jessica. You need to tell us what happened.
The doctor told me what happened. I didn't want that. I just wanted to be a star, to be in movies. I told Junie what happened, and she told me to toughen up. That was the price of stardom.
Did she now, cold-hearted bitch?
It's not Junie's fault. It's not my first time. I had a boyfriend back home, but my father found out about him.
Even if you consented, Jessica, you're still underage. We need to get in touch with your parents, Jessica, to tell them what has happened.
Oh, you don't need to worry them. They sent me along to stay with Aunt June. They trust her to take care of me.
Ложь. А куда нам работать?
You're lying, Jessica. How are we going to make this right if you lie to us?
Please, detective, why would I lie to you?
Письмо матери.
Because you're a runaway, Jessica, and you don't have your parents' permission to be here. Now, do you want to tell me what really happened?
I went with Junie to this strange place. It's difficult to remember. Someone gave me a drink to calm my nerves, and then I felt faint. I think I must have passed out.
How did you meet Mr. Bishop?
Well, Junie is a big movie star. You probably know that. She's doing a new movie.
What's the story with Bishop and Mrs. McCaffrey? Why does he want the two of you dead?
That can't be true. Mr. Bishop seemed very happy today. I mean, yesterday.
And that's why he wedged a shrunken head against the accelerator pedal and punted the two of you over an escarpment?
I overheard Junie speaking to him on the phone a couple of times. Screaming, really. She can be very hard sometimes, Junie. But they seemed okay yesterday, like they worked it out.
I know what happened to you, Jessica. Where exactly did it take place?
Please, it's scary. It's really difficult to think of anything.
ما نقدر قهوة. تأبناوات يا ولدي. هذا بغربات. انتي تسمي قهوة.
Someone tried to kill you, Jessica. Do you get it? Forget about being in movies. It's time to act like a grown-up.
I had to wear a robe and lay down on a stone. There were lights, camera. It's not my fault. I'm not a bad girl. Why are you trying to hurt me?
Thank you, Jessica.
сука, üstten yönetmenler.
Think of anything you need some help.
Сука.
Just get in touch.
Oğlum
okay?
oğlum.
Okay.
I think it might be a good idea if you went back home till you felt better, Jessica.
I couldn't do that, officer. What if I got the part and I wasn't there?
It's the tale of this town, Cole. Lambs that go willingly to slaughter. Who the hell is that?
Must be her lawyer. He certainly expedited her release.
I don't like it, Cole. Why is she in such a hurry? We should follow her. There she goes. Come on.
Давай. Краса тут.
Ballard is definitely up to something.
That ought to do it. Now get back in close.
Бля,
He
алкас.
seems to have made a remarkably speedy recovery.
Бля, светофор меня хоть это. Пизди гидма. Бля, нахуй геймпад надо поставить торговать. Я на більше корня по-любому. Что, жизнь и
Get in there and see what she's up to.
She wants a 5-star goddamn way.
Lazy old-fashioned soaps require scrubbing and elbow grease. Lemon wash cuts grease and takes it right down the drain.
Не понял, чего, бля. Когда к натали ничего. Бля, по новой тебе, пожалуйста. А, вы кальдивись.
Get in there and see what she's up to.
Вот мы для этого кота в где.
That's one heck of a Sunday.
А.
No, I don't want him taught a lesson. You know what I want. Well, then make someone else do it. You still know people out here, don't you? Then make some calls.
Короче, они хотят убрать этого Бишопа, что ли.
Get this done.
Его надо спасти, короче. И посадить. Он будет в тюрьме. За умышленное причинение, планах убийства, типа такой... Как, кстати, авария такая, блядь.
Sure, I got the film.
Камера, вернись.
So what's the story? I'm guessing she didn't stop for light refreshments.
She made a call. Sounds like Mark Bishop has a heap of trouble here. I've got an address. Wilson's
Баскетбол
Hotel,
надо не иметь.
apartment 803.
Oh shit, you better step on it.
If he's got any sense, he'll be as far away from home as possible.
If you had any sense, you wouldn't have tried bumping off Guy McCaffrey's wife in the first place. Or you'd done the job properly. McCaffrey will break a fella's legs just for looking at you.
What did you make of the kid? You believe her story? I think she was doped out of her tiny mind and given the casting couch. That fucking bitch Ballard sold her out. So if Ballard was doing...
Так, стоп. Да, работает. Я думал, что это близко. Так, где я? Ага, прямо до конца, налево, направо, где? По стыке и киска налево кидать. Ну, там уже понятно будет.
Why did they try to kill her?
Заебал. Нет, 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 нет. Не можем принять, извините, Бегал срочно.
1220 West 7th Street, Westlake Park. 11K code 3. All other units code 2. KGPL clear.
Стоп.
Get to the apartment before someone gets hurt.
Я достигла, что ли?
He's only a writer, so he can't really help.
You the cops? I tried to stop them. It's room 803, left out of the elevator.
Sounds like we're about to make it a hat trick of hysterical female witnesses.
Give it up, LAPD.
А бош.
I'm about to.
Абас. Двоих на, охуенно. Ну, спасли, нет? Топало вообще. Чё еще не
Are you
наклеил?
injured, Mrs.
Aha.
Bishop?
I'm all right now. Those horrible, awful men.
Perhaps you should sit down, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Forgive me, officers. I'm very flushed. I'll just sit down for a moment.
That's perfectly normal, ma'am. Take a moment while we look around.
Yes, thank you.
Так, Тера.
Just look at this mess.
На часах 00. Обычный хлам. Топ, никуда туда. Будет детектив. В работе фото.
Looks like a mermaid in the
В
background.
главном экране рассматривается
Silver
средний
screen.
экран.
Who are these men in the picture?
Стоят люди.
My
Ари.
husband, Mark, and Marlon Hopgood. They work together on occasion. That's Hopgood's shop.
Новые фигуранты. Да? Это хлам, кроме меня.
I don't think this is any use to us.
Вряд ли здесь что-то понадобится. Телефон, цветы. Что там? Сторис. Что за самотуч? А вот тут интересно. Это что такое?
Looks like the old movie set
Похоже
downtown.
на декорации старого фильма. Нетерпимость, любовь сильнее ненависти. Режиссер Гриффит.
Great Wall of Babylon. A replica of a replica.
Доктора, давайте сюда, Ахар. На Аллах уликакидай, нетерпимость. Любовь сильнее ненависти. Великая Вавилонская арена, да. А чё это?
Doesn't tell me anything.
Как это ни о чем не говорит? Там вот.
Circumstantial.
어쩌고 그만은. Так, мехабалбад интуиция вот. Все на свете проебал, все на свете проебал. Опа.
Seems irrelevant.
А вот это интересно.
This doesn't pertain to the case.
Блять. Не тот. О, да, все начинается со спальни.
I doubt it. Nothing significant.
Ничего особенного, да?
Maybe. No.
Опа. Территория Гальдава. Марк Бишоп передает Лорне Хопгуд чек на 20 тысяч.
What do you have to do to earn $20,000?
То есть Марк Бишоп Тель-Авив, что ли, чтобы убить, это когда было? Дата где? Дата. Январь, бля, я хуй его знает. Публиковать видео. Это мелочь.
This isn't what we need.
Все, ладно, все. Это просто раз. Карабунка дым. Оу, доктор. Веселый ковбой Марк Бишоп благодарю серебряного экрана.
Presented to Mark.
Новулика седло. Артем Анемегрок. Это вот Булунда. Напарник, ты где? А мне много говорит, тут нечего искать. Киеве. Только в первую еще корона я имею в виду. А, я видел. Да просто тут все нормально, короче. То, что мы хотели, мы нашли.
Those men, I think they work for Guy McAfee. Do you know the name?
No. Why should I?
June Ballard is married to Guy McAfee. Have you heard of her?
That slut. She's been badgering my husband for days.
Mrs. McAfee alleges that your husband tried to kill her and her friend last night. I think you should tell us what you know.
My husband's a movie producer. This has something to do with his new picture. He doesn't include me in his business.
Бля. Верон, да? Это сомнение лирик.
June Ballard said she had a deal to be in his new picture.
Mark repeatedly told her no. He had Joan Leslie lined up for the role. That's how he got the finance. June made all kinds of threats. She was very rude to me.
You know June Ballard?
We were both on the same picture a few years back. That's how I met my husband.
Where can we find your husband, ma'am?
He told me he would be on set. That's all I know.
Ложь.
You're lying, Gloria. He knows he has to get out of town, and you're covering for him.
I'm tired of this, and you have nothing to go on.
Блять, знает. Так. Ну тут Chevrolet сторона нет. Пострадавших на качале тоже нет. Тем более результаты экспертизы Лали точно качали них или нет. Блять. Нижнее белье. Доказательства насилия нет. Нет. Может, чек сработает?
Mark? Leave Los Angeles? Never. They'd have to kill him first. What other city would allow men to behave so abominably and celebrate the fact? He'll talk or buy his way out of this.
I wouldn't bet on it, sister.
Why is your husband paying Lorna Hopgood $20,000?
Lorna? Marlon's ex-wife? Are you sure?
You're lying, Mrs. Bishop. It's some kind of payoff. You know exactly what the money is for and who it's getting paid to.
Do I? Would you like to prove that, detective? You're wrong, detective. My
Yeah,
husband is a
but you're bad.
miscreant. That doesn't mean he feels shame for what he does. He would never tell me.
Your husband was at a casting yesterday with a young girl?
Not that I know of. He told me he was looking at locations. The picture's been cast.
You know exactly what happened yesterday, don't you, Mrs. Bishop? You've been through it yourself.
I'm gonna call my lawyer. You have a damn cheek accusing me of that.
Команда уже не жди видеоиграх, А
You
вдруг?
should be ashamed of yourself, detective. I've already been through a lot today without your harassment.
Your husband is in trouble. It could go easier for him if you were more helpful, Mrs. Bishop.
He's a big boy, detective, and so are you. This is Hollywood. There's always a deal
Голливуд.
to be done.
Звонок.
Operator, give me dispatch.
Putting you through now.
Cole Phelps, badge 1247.
How can I help, Detective?
I need a location on a silver screen prop store.
Just a moment. Silver Screen Props, corner 3rd and Figueroa.
Thanks.
An aging movie star, a wannabe starlet, and a movie producer's wife. Finally rubbing shoulders with the almost rich and famous.
And from the stories they've given us, clearly none of them can act.
Broadcasting at 760 kilohertz.
Mrs. Bishop knows more than she's letting on. She doesn't.
Второе, да. Чугастым основать. Даром круто. Прямо. Направо.
To realize how much trouble her husband is in. The LAPD are the least of their worries right now.
You think she'd have gotten the hint after those hatchet men redecorated her apartment?
Maybe she's just loyal.
Or she's in on it. She didn't seem like your average giddy broad with nothing between the ears.
Or she might just be trying to buy enough time for Bishop to put a couple of oceans between him and the cat.
Trust. A swivel ride with Welcome to Love. Alico brand gasoline and Alico brand automotive oil. At your local Alico service station.
Выходи. На другой машине поедем. О, да. А теперь дальше қадамасынан баруды. Бар темде подруга хумтлана побеги. Пам-пам-пам-пам-пам-пам-пам-пам. Манда тут.
Damn idiot! You're gonna kill someone!
Ah, Jesus, my paint job! That's the cop.
Что? Нормально вам остановили. Не то. Во. Богима гимназа токар. Цера, педаль в пол, прямо.
I should have driven.
Да, я именно хапдам остановить. Так, ханва буде беги. Берем ворот до конца. Вот и налево кидает, направо. Мана тему то добряба жестко оставит по прямую. Угу. Он говорит. Ого, газ пол. Достижение. Стой, 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 стой.
Out of the car, police.
I want it back.
Вот да. Bitamamos. Будем нас натура.
Phelps, batch 1247. I need this car.
Hadi bunları yiyorlar. Oo. Oh, второй тачка. Ебафно. Бегим снова.
Let's try the Hollywood Beauty Bath with Pandora, and you'll see why. Pandora brand soap's got that creamy, active lather that's soothing and gentle on your skin. Why, Pandora is 7 ways better than old-style soaps. Take a tip from Hollywood. Make Pandora your daily bath soap. Pandora lathers twice as fast. Even the hardest woman. It's a luxury that any woman can afford. Just a few cents a key. Now that's
Все, поехали, давай.
it's a Hollywood secret. Ask your grocery for Pandora brand soap today.
Бля, неправильно поехал. А, похуй вообще. Я ну там остановиться правда. Что? Ах, помогу. Ага. Прямо просится в наши руки бумасына. Я подключился недавно. А куда мы едем? Просто быстрые тачки ищу. Да бля. Вот, не то.
I wouldn't feel safe in a tank with you, Ralph.
Вообще не то. Все, подъехали. Серебряный экран.
Phelps and Bukowski, LAPD. We're investigating the attempted murder of June Ballard and Jessica Hamilton.
Christ. I'm Marlon Hopgood. How can I help?
You hold castings here?
How'd you hear about that? I got a little soundstage out back.
Lead the way.
Нихуя себе сданила. А, соседнее здание.
Keep him here, Stefan. I'm gonna take a look around.
What's this got to do with me?
Don't try my patience, knucklehead.
Turn off the lights, Hopgood.
Why would I want to do that?
Humor him.
One-way mirrors. There's a room on the other side.
Huh. Well, well. Find a way into that peep den, Phelps. I'll stay here and keep our pervert company.
Вот и наши головы, бля. Точно какую я находил. Часть третья посмотрите, там у меня было. Изучи, изучи. Немедленно обратись к врачу.
Doping a 15-year-old kid and abusing her in a screen
Одурмать
test.
и
What is wrong
изнасиловать
with
15-летнюю девушку. Бля, он без старого-то, ёпа, маленькая девочка же. Охуели вообще, бля. Вот и выпивки, и алкоголь, тут все есть, бля. Да-да-да. Вон 2 бокала, бля. Так. Я еще не все улики не могу найти, бля. А вот, чучело. Да не ты, бля. Не ты. Я понял. Вот голова, манука. Короче, мне такая пустая палка нужна, короче говоря. Но эту палку я не вижу. 2 бокала есть. Давайте.
Incidental.
В смысле совпадение?
Not much help.
Это нам не поможет. Дальше мне никуда нельзя, да? Там название я же написал. Или там не видно. Или читать не умею.
You ever do any work for Mark Bishop?
Mainly do work for the studios. RKO, Republic, Warner Brothers. So yeah, when Bishop is doing work for a studio, yes.
When did you last see him?
Now I'm doing work for his next picture. Still pre-production though. Haven't seen him around here in a while.
Пиздишь.
I know you're lying, Hopgood. Bishop was here, and you know exactly what he was doing and what he left lying around afterwards.
You come in here without a warrant, and now you start throwing your weight around?
Tarvitavana.
You should get your facts straight before you come in here and start shooting off that mouth of yours.
Блять.
I have some friends in the LAPD, so I won't be leaned on.
А может как-нибудь по новой, а? Бля, а можно по новой, пожалуйста, а?
The room behind the mirror makes our case. We need to find a way in.
А.
Can't be that way, Phelps. You couldn't fit a rat through there.
Тут для потайнутого работа. Смыть туалет, такого. Или через улицу. Ебать. Карта дают то. Что-то не могу понять. Может выключатель, может кран, зеркало в конце концов. Бля, как проникнуть? Короче, сейчас погуглим. Какие мне задания на падший идол? Да, есть такое. Я вот все время в экран, да, что как тут найти тогда? На столе. Что-то. Главный клуб попросил выключить свет за стеклом, но кажется, такая. Теперь пройти за помещение через дверь, слева двигаться по центру улицы. То есть все-таки я должен выйти на улицу. Налево. Что-то. Фальшивая белая стена. Вот это что ли? Ах ты, сука, бля. Я же правда заходил это, ёпарасота, все. Тут и все это было. Марк пишет. Все.
So what happened to the film of Hamilton's screen test?
Bishop Pictures, название барабанные джунгли.
Jungle Drums, 8th and Francisco. Attention, Mark Bishop.
Тор. Сходится. Стоп. Это что за бутылка?
McAfee's men are looking for Bishop. We need to find him first. Any idea where he might have gone to ground?
If he really tried to kill McAfee's wife, my advice to him would be to leave town.
You're delivering props to Jungle Drums on 8th Street?
Bishop is using that old rundown wreck of a set. That place is dangerous. But it might be a good spot to hide.
That's all for now, Hopgood. We're taking you in.
Phelps!
Roy Earl, Ad Vice. Hold on a moment. This is clearly a Vice case. You've been roughing up my informant?
Hopgood is a Vice informer?
Yes, he is, Phelps, and a very important one. Look at that mug. Have you been upsetting these two officers, Marlon?
So we just drop it?
You do if you know what's good for you. You need to catch the movie producer before an angry husband does, from what I'm hearing.
I'll be making a full report to the captain, Detective.
You do that, kid. We're all very impressed with you.
Let it slide, Cole. Let's get out of here.
Detectives.
Johnny Goldberg. You work for Mickey C.
That's right, detectives.
You wouldn't happen to know the guys who roughed up Mrs. Bishop earlier today by any chance?
No, not us. We don't do that kind of thing. It's the husband we'd like to talk to.
This is a police matter. You don't want to be taken in for obstruction of justice, do you, boys?
You could try the obstruction rap, but it won't stick. We could beat that.
You've had your 10 cents worth, gentlemen.
Bishop knows how the world works. Mrs. McAfee hits him up for a movie part. Happens every day. But Bishop takes it a step too far and tries to rub out Mrs. McAfee. Naturally, Guy is going to get upset.
What made you think Bishop would be here?
We figure he might be planning a little accident for Hopgood, too. Those two guys have got some unfinished business. You let us know if you find Bishop. Guy McAfee can be a very generous man.
I'm only going to warn you once, gentlemen. Stay out of this. This is a police matter. We will be bringing Mark Bishop into custody.
At least he's polite. Kind of dumb, but polite.
But I'm a lot less polite, you smug son of a bitch. So let me put it in ruder terms that even a pair of blockheads like you might understand. The only reason that you don't have bars on your windows already is because you're small fry. And we don't waste our time on small fry. You stay away from Bishop, and you stay away from me. Is that clear enough for you, asshole? Now run along back to your boss so we can pat you on the head and tell you what good boys you are.
Дьявол, красавчик, нах. Твою мать, охуели. Кто там, бля? Охуеть, нах.
Let's see him chase us now. Onto the movie set, Phelps. Let's roll.
Кто-то, мне винтовку нужна, нихуя себе. Выбили же. Да, сюда, нахуй. Тебе это больше не пригодится, малыш. Охуй беда подсыпал. Давай, поехали, братан. Пускай это отдел дров занимается. Это же их работа.
Oh, Christ. And they say working traffic is like watching paint dry.
You know how to piss people off, Bukowski.
Hey, if they're prepared to gun down cops in broad daylight, McCaffrey really means business.
Seems like we're the only ones who want Bishop alive.
I have a good mind just to let him go work on the son of a bitch. I'm about done putting my life on the line to protect some child molester.
That's our job, unfortunately. They don't get to dole out the justice.
Съебались с дороги, ублюдки. Экшен, есть такое. Местами такое бывает. А иногда бывает просто реально загадки разгадывать. Серьезно, вроде детектив уходит. Барабаны джунглей.
There's the slippery bastard now.
No. God damn it!
Да твою
I'll
мать,
cover
нахуй.
the exit.
Mark Bishop, stop! LAPD! 11K calling KGPL, requesting assistance at 8 in Francisco, the abandoned movie set. My partner is pursuing suspect on foot. Code 3, KGPL.
Достань пистолет и выстрели, заебал. Ебать, тут все ломается нахуй.
Or McCaffrey's boy, your choice. I didn't do anything. Get the hell out of here.
А я знал, что ты так сделаешь, падла. Где ты? А.
Bishop, that's enough. That girl made it all up.
Ебать! Да ну нахуй.
Mark Bishop, stop! LAPD!
Дубль 2. Нахадис Настя.
We're trying to help you, Bishop. This is all a big mistake. It's us or McCaffrey's boy, your choice. I didn't do anything. Hands in the air, Bishop.
Пошел, бля. Забомян то, что ли? А, это, блядь, то вроде.
LAPD!
Опять остановили. Пробел нажимать надо.
Trying to help you, Bishop. This is all a big mistake. It's us or McCaffrey's boy, your choice. I didn't do anything. Hands in the air, Bishop. Move another inch and you're dead. Bishop, that's enough.
Mark Bishop, you're under arrest for the attempted murder of June Ballard and the rape and attempted murder of Jessica Hamilton.
All right, I'll come quietly. Just don't kill me. If you found me, then McAfee's goons will too. Oh, we need to get out of here.
You stay close. Any tricks and I'll save McCaffrey for the trouble.
Follow me. I know another way out of this place. Detective, they're trying to kill me!
Last chance to back the hell down.
It's this way.
Бля, я шапку потерял. Стой. Я возьму.
Hear me? Kill them, for God's sake! I don't want to die!
А я. Увидишь ты контроль. А, блядь. Не то нахрен. Поставь галерею.
Worse than a war zone.
God, they're everywhere.
There's no way out of here. I thought you said you knew where you were going.
We have to jump for it.
Да ты, бля.
Really the best McAfee's got?
Come on, it's this way. You have to get me out of here. Insanity! For the love of God, how many are there? I don't want to die here.
How long do you think you can hold out?
The statue there. There's a ladder leading to the ground. This is all Valor's fault.
Get him over here. I'll cover you. Come on. The cavalry's here.
There's an army of them. We're done.
Бля, не то.
Shoot them! Quickly!
Stay down.
Follow me. We need to get him to the car.
This way! Come on, let's keep moving. Stay in cover. Let's go. Stay with me.
Бежим.
Get him to the car. I can cover you from here. You're almost there.
You're surrounded, and your buddy.
Now, this is what I call a result. Mark Bishop, erstwhile film producer, an all-around piece of shit, catches a fast ticket to Quentin. for snatch, rape, and attempted murder. So he gets to spend the next 15 years playing sissy instead of sticking it to little girls. That is justice with a capital J, Detective Phelps. Developed such a reputation, I'm not going to be able to hold on to you any longer. You're getting promoted. Go on, get your new assignment. It was good working with you, son.
Phelps, Bukowski, this your work?
Can I help you, Detective?
Sorry, Cap. Didn't see you there.
Yeah, I'll bet you didn't. This is a traffic case. You need something?
I'm here to buy a drink for the 2 LAPD traffic cops who broke the back of Guy McAfee's private army. You don't have a problem with that, do you, Captain?
Go right ahead.
Get in. I'm buying. You'll like this place. A lot of movie people hang out here. You like jazz, Cole? The hopheads love it.
Sure, I guess.
Big bands and swing I can understand, but this bebop palaver? How are you supposed to dance to that? This is Phelps, Leroy. Be nice to him. You'll like this place. They treat you right.
You like a table, bud?
What do you think we want to do? Stand at the bar like
I'll
chumps?
get a table ready for you.
Don't look so happy to see me, Alphonse. I might get the wrong impression. Cole, this is Alphonse. He's a French Negro from Africa. Can you beat that?
The Congo.
A pleasure to meet you, Alphonse.
Is Elsa singing tonight?
Yes, she is. She has the next set.
Come on, Cole. You can meet Elsa while they're fixing us a table. You'll like her. She's something else.
Maybe another night, Roy. She's pretty beat up about it.
Get your hands off me. Don't ever tell me what to do or what not to do, Alphonse. You got a nice club here. Don't spoil it.
If you will follow me, detectives. Just through the door.
Was my only real friend, Harlan. We went through it all. Do you realize what he meant to me?
Of course I do.
You have no idea. You said it was construction work.
It was an industrial accident, Elsa. How can I be held responsible?
Elsa, are you going on?
Louis, for God's sake, he was my best friend. The only man who ever loved me without putting his hands on me.
Hi, Elsa. Here's someone I'd like you to meet. Cole Phelps, war hero and crime fighter extraordinaire.
And why would I want to meet another fascist from the LAPD?
Sorry about this, Cole. What an evening I'm having. First a Negro puts his hands on me, and then this. Who do you think you're talking to, you German junkie whore? Don't you ever forget your place with me again. Do you hear me? Evening, Doc. How's business?
Sanguine. Louis, help me here. I'm gonna have to give her something before her performance.
Blow it off, Cole. These artsy-fartsy types always get a little flighty. Meet Dr. Harlan Fontaine, doctor to the stars. Mr. Fix-It to the mental wreckage of Hollywood. So what about that drink, boys?
Отдел по раскрытию убийств. Нихуя себе. Теперь этот чел мой коллега в лапот.
All right, gentlemen, take your seats. Let's get this over before lunch. Clyde Rose of the Homicide Squad has decided to take early retirement. We will all miss Floyd and the steely edge he brought to his police work. The department has arranged a wee drink at the Galway Arms to quench the mighty thirst a man gets from 25 years of police work. Floyd's departure leaves a place at the top table, and the chief has seen fit to promote Cole Phelps from burglary to the homicide desk. Stand up, Phelps. Take a chair. You're in the major leagues now, Sonny. Rusty Galloway, a fine lawman of the old school, will be taking you under his wing. Your first case is the murder of a woman, found last night and bearing all the signs of the werewolf. Get out to the scene, lads.
Do you have the address?
It's been all over KGPL. It's off Temple Street, between Belmont and Glendale.
You ought to meet Joe's buddy. He's nice, really.
Nice day for it. That bum took a swipe at me. I put him down.
I'd rather you took the wheel.
What happened to Rose?
Parker wants the chief's job. Word is it's either going to be him or Thad Green. So they're both clearing the deck.
Where does that leave you, Galloway?
Leaves me saddled with a chump like you, Phelps. I didn't ask for you, and I don't want you, so keep it to yourself. See if you can learn something.
What
did he mean by the werewolf?
Medallion. The Daily News came out calling him the werewolf killer. The Examiner came up with the Black Dahlia.
Are we any closer to catching him?
Not a chance. 6 months and hundreds of guys running down leads, and we got nothing.
You don't think this has anything to do with it?
No, I don't. 90% of murders are domestic, Phelps. Some guy gets into a beef with his wife, he takes it too far. Should be the same. But cutting someone in half and leaving them off the sidewalk, it's a one-off.
Why so many women this year?
Because of the war. You should know that.
Any Central Unit, car 16A reports a possible jumper at 8 and out. Methodist Church unit to handle code 2 identified.
11K, go ahead.
I'll do it! So help me God, I'll jump!
You need to get up there.
Let me do the talking, Detective. I know a ton of this psychology stuff. You take the back alley and find a way up there.
Gonzales-то.
Come on, Phelps, let's get moving.
Are you jumping? Make sure you warn me before you do.
I swear.
I will!
This going straight to hell.
Wait, what?
You think this thing can hold you, Rusty?
I'll bring you down with me, Phelps. Come on, man.
No offense, but I don't want you splashed on my shoes.
Are you crazy? What are you trying to do?
I remember my first jumper. Get a soap.
This what you wanted?
I can't do it. I'll come quietly, I need some help. Please. You gotta get me some help.
You're a danger to yourself and to others.
Осталось еще 30. Узкого печально было не духать туда. Ах ты блюдо. Так, господа, подождите-ка. Статистика на час. Сколько я процентов вообще прошел? Закрыт что сделал 7 из 21. Угу. 25%. Блядь, баров что ли? Серьезно, музыка все печально, печально что ли? Опа, где? Ограбление перестрелка тут. Да, серьезно, блядь. Управление. Пропусти диалог Тима Рэп. Doktor bana işe настройка vardı. Спросить дорогу F.
Going straight here. Just ignore this turn. On straight.
All units, officer needs help. 211 and shots fired. 391 Broadway, Mallory's Cafe. 391 Broadway. Unit to handle code 3, identify.
This is Car 11K. We'll handle the 211.
Roger that, 11K.
Go to hell, Parker! No way I'm going down without a fight.
Drop the weapon, hands behind your head.
Yeah? Fuck you too!
God damn it, get out. Put your hands in the air. Give it up, LAPD. Don't make me chase you. This is Car 11 King. Advise all units that the 211 from Mallory's Cafe is code 4, KGPL.
Roger, 11K. All units, 211 from Mallory's Cafe is code 4. Repeat, code 4.
Straight on. Up ahead, you make a right. You don't need to turn here. Go right through here. Head right. Keep on straight. Take the next right. Through this intersection.
Crime scene is just up the dirt road, Detective.
How about a scoop for the Examiner, Galloway? You could use some good press.
Another tramp, another message. Is the werewolf back in business, boys?
Do you have a mother, asshole? A sister? How about showing some respect for this poor woman? Let us do our job, and Detective Galloway will give you a statement later.
He's good, Rusty. He even sounds genuine.
That's Phelps, guys. The war hero. Defending the honor of murdered humps.
You're used to it, Phelps. Moving along, guys. You got your pictures, you got your headlines. Now scram.
Меня даже узнают уже. Да уж. Конкретно 18+.
Yes, sir. Well, kids park here, they use it like a lover's lane. It's a working neighborhood.
Да, теперь
Some
я
trouble, but
пока отключаюсь.